Hello, I'm Jakob from SIGA. In the last video, I showed you how to seal a round penetration with Reson 60 Airtight. Today I'd like to show you how we can seal this connection even faster with our Fentrim Grommet. The liner of the Fentrim Grommet has a split in the middle. This makes it very easy to remove. We take the grommet and put it over the round penetration. Once the Fentrim Grommet is in position, the split backing liner can be removed, and the carrier of the Fentrim Grommet can simply be installed, crease-free. The second liner can be pulled downwards, and the grommet is fitted again without any problems. Of course, this is a perfect situation. The pipe only protrudes a few centimeters through the vapor control layer. If this is not the case on your building site, and the pipe runs all the way down to the floor, you can of course uninstall the pipe, fit the grommet, then reinstall the pipe. The grommet is available in different dimensions, as for example can be seen here, with an electrical conduit sealed to an OSB board.